In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create and assign roles here in Discord. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, roles in Discord let you give members different permissions inside your Discord server, such as moderation access or admin privileges. And to get started, just open up your Discord server and click on the server name up in the top left corner. And from the menu, go ahead and select server settings, just like so. Once you are in the server settings option, you're going to see on this left-hand sidebar under the people tab, a roles tab. Go ahead and select that. Once you select that, go ahead and find on the right hand side an option to create a role. Choose that, and in this section you're going to have a bunch of different options to do. You can now give the role a name, and let's just say for video, just like so in all caps. You can change the role color, which we'll put this, I guess, yellow for whatever reason. And after you do this, go ahead and navigate over to the permissions tab, and this is where you're going to assign whatever permissions it want. You can enable administrator if needed, or you can just make this a simple moderation channel or role. Do really whatever you like, just make sure you spend a decent amount of time in here in order to get this set up the way that you want. And whenever you are done, hit save changes down in the bottom right corner to close out of those settings. Now, to assign the role to someone in your server, back out of this option and find whoever it is that you want to assign that role for. Now, this is kind of just like my YouTube video example server, so we're just going to pretend that, Jockey Music for whatever reason needs a new role. You just select their name on here, select add role, and then find whatever role it is for video, and as you can see, it is now going to be on there, and even their profile name will change if you change that setting in that roles. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.